Weather Center. This is a severe weather report.
Well, as far as what's going on this evening, this is what we saw earlier. You either had some power, then you had power outages, but you definitely had a lot of lightning associated with it, as you can see here just a little bit later, and some heavy rain. Let's show what's going on right now. The Covington County, Andalusia, Florida area is out of the tornado watch, and probably we'll see the Alabama counties out of the watch within the next hour and a half or 2 hours. Tornado threat's pretty much over with. Cannot say that 100%, but right now what we're looking at is down further to the south. We've got some heavy rainfall that's moving through the Florida Panhandle. This is the broad view of what's going on. In fact, let me go over to the wall real quick, and I can show you exactly what is going on with that rainfall. You can see pretty much stretching east of I-65 down through right along the Alabama-Georgia border around Columbus, and the heavy rain down into the Florida Panhandle, all of that moving to the east. What we're concerned with the next 2 to 3 hours before the severe threat is finally over is heavy rain, vivid lightning, and maybe some flash flood issues, and we've had quite a few sporadic power outages. But again, probably by 3 to 3:30 the severe weather threat's over with. Right now we're just concerned about a few severe thunderstorm warnings, as well as that would be high winds, and again around 50 to 60 miles an hour. But again, I think the tornado threat is over. What hail threat there was has diminished noticeably. So just hang in there for a couple more hours, and then things will look much better, at least until we get to Thursday. Let's go back to the other radar real quick, because Thursday, probably from midday to early evening, we will have yet another round of severe weather potential. All right, this is what we're looking at. Let's go a little bit closer to it, and you can see all the lightning associated with it, and still back to the west around Andalusia, the threat is over with, and we should see our rain diminishing noticeably in the next hour, hour and a half here, and you folks down on the Florida Panhandle will have to deal with it for maybe about another 2 hours. I'm meteorologist Oscar Fan. Thanks for being with us this evening into the overnight hours, and we'll see you later this morning. Actually, we have a couple more cut-ins just to bring you up to date, and then I'll have the weather coming up about 6 o'clock news this morning with Sarah Drake, and then we'll be prepared for yet some more severe weather around Thursday.
You've been watching a WDHN Storm Team Severe Weather